This video tutorial I will cover minus methods of period class. Here I have defined the class period demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created a period of days. Then I am calling minus days method and passing 5. So 5 days will be subtracted from period of days. Here I have created a period of months. Then I am calling minus months method and passing 5. So 5 months will be subtracted from period of months. Here I have defined a class period demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created a period of years. Then I am calling minus years method and passing 13. So 13 years will be subtracted from period of years. Here I have created a period of months. Then I am calling minus method and passing period of months as 10. So 10 months will be subtracted from period of months.